Okay, so once again, good day. So for today, as I mentioned, we're going to explore the online learning resources, no? The journey of academic and career growth. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, no, the pursuit of knowledge doesn't end with formal education. Lifelong learner is essential for personal and professional growth. And fortunately, the digital age has made learning more accessible and convenient than ever before. So the academic and career journey, growth journey is dedicated to exploring online learning, resources, and the myriad opportunities they offer. So the rise of online learning, no? Online learning has revolutionized the way we acquire new skills and knowledge. Now, with the proliferation of educational platform, courses, and resources available on the internet, learners have the flexibility to study of their own pace on their own schedule and from virtually anywhere in the world. So whether you're a student looking to supplement your coursework, a professional seeking to upskill or reskill, simply someone with a thirst of knowledge, online learning has something to offer for everyone. So access to high quality content. One of the most significant advantages of online learning is access to high quality educational content from leading institutions and experts around the globe. Whether you're interested in computer science, education, business, art, history, or any other subject imaginable, chances are there's an online courses available to suit your interest in goals. So many prestigious universities offer free or low-cost courses through platforms like Upgrad, Docilso, Coursera, edX, and Udacity, allowing learners to access world-class education without the hefty price tag. So when it comes to flexibility and convenience, online learning offers unparalleled flexibility and convenience, allowing learners to tailor their educational experience to fit their busy lifestyle. With on-demand courses, asynchronous learning modules, and mobile-friendly platforms, you can study whenever and wherever it's most convenient for you. So whether you're a full-time student, uh, juggling coursework and extracurricular activities, a working professional balancing job responsibility and family commitments, or someone with unpredictable schedules, online learning adapts to your needs and preferences. The diverse learning modalities, the online learning caters to the wide range of learning style and preferences, offering diverse learning modalities to suit individual needs. So from interactive video lectures and multimedia presentation to hands-on projects, and peer collaboration, online courses leverage a variety of instructional techniques to engage learners and enhance comprehension. Whether you learn best through visual or auditory or kinesthetic, or tactile means, online learning provides option for every type of learner to thrive. The continuous skill development, in today's rapidly changing world, as I mentioned, and rapidly changing job market at the same time, continuous skill development is essential for staying relevant and competitive. Again, online learning allows you to acquire new skills, stay up to date on industry trends, and adapt to evolving job requirements. So whether you're looking to advance in your current career or transition to a new field altogether, online courses provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. So I believe by investing in your ongoing education and professional development, you'll position yourself for long-term success and growth in your chosen field. Now, the exploring online resources in platform has become an essential element of modern education, enabling educators and students to access a vast array of tools, materials, and opportunities that enhance our learning. So this shift to digital platforms, accelerated by the global pandemic, has reshaped how we think about education and its delivery. We have a lot of aspect, of this exploration. Number one is the role of online platforms in modern education. Again, as I mentioned earlier, online resources have shifted the paradigm from traditional classroom setting to more flexible, accessible, and inclusive learning environments. So platforms like, actually right now we have Google Classroom, Orange App, no, Moodle, and Blackboard serve as a learning management system or LMS that help educator deliver lectures, assignments, and exams in a virtual space. There are certain advantages of e-learning because the ability to learn anywhere and at any time has significantly improved access to education, especially for students in remote areas, for those balancing work and study. E-learning platforms, na katulad po ng ginagawa natin today, no, provide flexibility in course delivery, allowing learners to revisit material at your own pace, no? Accessibility and inclusion. Online learning platforms ensure greater accessibility for students with disabilities, no? Tools such as screen readers, captions, and other assistive technologies integrated into platform like Zoom in Canvas have enabled students with varying needs to fully participate in educational activity. We have what we call blended learning models because many educational institutions now adopt blended learning, katulad po ng World City Colleges, which combine face-to-face instruction with online resources. And this model allows for greater personalization of learning as a student can access supplementary materials through online platforms outside classroom hours. No? Virtual classroom and communication tools. As I mentioned, right now we are using Zoom. No? Platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet facilitate virtual classroom where real-time interaction occurs between teachers and students. These tools not only replace in-person lectures but also provide a range of interactive features like breakout rooms, pools, and whiteboards, enhancing engagement. So maybe you were asking, what will be the importance of digital literacy? To effectively use online platforms, students and educators must develop digital literacy skills because understanding how to navigate these platforms, manage digital resources, and protect one's digital identity are essential competencies in today's educational landscape. So, content creation and sharing. No? Platforms like YouTube, I have a lot of lecture in YouTube, in Moodle, and Khan Academy allow educators to create and share content widely. So video lectures, tutorials, and other multimedia resources help make learning more engaging and accessible, particularly for visual and auditory learners. The collaborative learning tools, online platforms encourage collaboration among students, even when they are geographically distant. Tools like Google Docs, Padlet, and Trilio support group projects. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, we have tools like Google Docs, Padlet, and Trilio support group projects, allowing students to co-edit documents, share ideas in real time, and manage tasks collectively. You are all familiar with open educational resources. No? Open educational resources are free, open license materials available for teaching, learning, and research. Now, website like OER, Kumo Commons, and Coursera offers access to textbooks, lesson plans, and courseware, ensuring that learners from all backgrounds can access high-quality educational resources. Right now, we need also to consider the gamification and interactive learning because many online platforms have integrated gamification elements such as badges, leaderboards, and interactive quizzes to motivate students. Websites like Kahoot and Quizlet turn learning into a game-like experience, making it more enjoyable and engaging for the students. Adapted learning technologies, so platform like Smart Sparrow and Dreambox use adapted learning algorithms to personalize instruction for each student. So by analyzing a learner's performance and adjusting content accordingly, these platforms provide individualized learning paths to meet students' needs and capabilities. We have, of course, massive open online courses, yung MOOCs na tinatawag natin, and lifelong learning. So, massive open online courses, platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and EDX have democratized learning, no? Allowing anyone with an internet connection to take courses from top universities and institutions worldwide. No, massive open online courses or MOOCs no, have expanded opportunities for lifelong learning and professional development. Now, another thing that we need to consider is the assessment and feedback tools. Online resources provide varied methods for assessment. No? Tools like Turnitin, no, Google Forms, and Socrative allow teacher to create quizzes, gather responses, and provide feedback efficiently. No? These platforms often include data analytics features that help instructors track student progress. So in case in Word City, no, we are using Orange App LMS. Now, another is the role of artificial intelligence in education. No? AI no, is transforming online platforms by offering personalized learning experiences. Chatbots, no, like those integrated into platforms such as Duolingo, no, provide instant feedback no, and support. Like AI-driven system can analyze learning patterns to offer recommendations for improvement. But there are certain challenges no, for online learning. Despite its benefits, no, online learning platforms also present challenges, no, issues like internet access, inequality, no, digital divides, and the lack of hands-on experiences in fields like science and engineering remain problematic for certain learners. So addressing these challenges requires infrastructural investments and the design of more inclusive content, no? Cybersecurity and data privacy is also a major concern. No? As more students and educators move online, concerns over data privacy and cybersecurity have grown. No? Educators and institutions must ensure that the platforms they use are compliant with data privacy regulations and implement measures to protect student personal information. Ethical consideration in online learning. The ethics of online education involves the fair use of digital content, addressing plagiarism, and maintaining academic integrity. Platforms like ProctorU no, and Lockdown Browser help mitigate cheating in online exam, but they also raise concern about surveillance and student privacy. Lastly, will be the future trends in online learning platform. Now, the future of online learning platforms look promising, no, with advancement in AI, virtual reality, and augmented reality, poised to revolutionize how students interact with digital content. Virtual reality platforms like AltSpace VR and Engage are already being used no, to create immersive learning environments, making education more experiential and impactful. So, the exploration of online resources and platform has transformed education into a more flexible, inclusive, and dynamic process. So, while challenges remain, the ongoing development of digital tools promises to enhance the accessibility and quality of learning for those students worldwide. No? So as we embark, of course, of the academic and career growth journey, let's embrace the opportunity that online learning afford us. No? Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a lifelong learner, online learning offers a world of knowledge and possibilities at your fingertips. No? So by exploring online learning resources, you can expand your horizons, unlock your new opportunities, and empower yourself to reach no your full potentials. No, so why wait? No, start your online learning journey today and take that next step toward a brighter future. So I think that's it for this topic.